Hey everyone, this is Moto Vigilant here, and today I'm here with a quick update video on the software which I use for editing. But before that, I want to wish you and your family a very happy Diwali. Hope you have a good year. And here I have two instances of Blender open. One of them is the latest stable release Blender 2.90, and another one is 2.92 alpha. I use basically this software for all my editing work, and recently they added a new feature which was required for quite a long time now. They rewritten the whole image cropping and adjusting module from the scratch, and the latest update is really exciting. So on the older versions like here 2.90, when we add an image, it looks something like this. So Blender does not know what's the dimension of the image. So it basically fills up the whole rendering area by stretching the image. And then if you want to adjust the correct aspect ratio, you have to basically use the add-on called Vsc Transform Tools. I have already installed it over here, and the way it works is that you select the clip you want to adjust. You come over here at the display area and you hit scale S for scale, and then it creates a new transform strip. And after that you can press, say, in X direction, so S and X, and you can then scale the image. But yeah, then you have to still guess how much it was, and if you want it correct, you have to probably see the properties of the image, which was not very useful or not that good in matter. And in the text strip we did not had many options. We only had like the text color and a shadow. As you can see here, we can't change the shadow direction for now, but that's all we have for the text object. We can change the location and the color of the text and the shadow. If it's a long text, you have an option to warp it along the width, but then that's it, no, nothing else. But here in the latest version of the Blender 2.92, when we add a new image, because of the newly written script, the Blender knows the correct image resolution and it fits image in the correct aspect ratio, and it does not stretch the image. And moreover, now you don't need to use the add-on because they have provided new transform methods. So we can directly from the Blender change the location of the image like so, or in the Y direction. We can change the scale of the image also, and we can change the rotation also, and mirroring is again same as the older versions, but they are all like on the same place now, so you don't need a additional add-on to make it work. And on the text object we have quite a few new features, such as we can now put a box behind the text, and we have an option to change the margin of the box too, and we can change the box color. And again, the transformation for the image is also applicable on the text object, so you can scale, locate and rotate the text object altogether, which was not available in the previous versions. And one more thing, on the older version, if we want to use the crop function, it was just stretching the image like in a weird manner, which was not very ideal. But in the newer version, when we crop the image, it just crops the image and does not stretches the image. So it's easier for us to quickly make a new crop or crop an video inside a video. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you have a good new year, and be vigilant, ride safe. I'll see you in my next video.